Illegal, the untold truth.
What's up, guys? Today we're back in Madison, Wisconsin in the Yahara River. We found some cool stuff yesterday. Can't wait to see what we find today.
Yahara, let's go. You want to eat that?
No. Found a chunk of an old model airplane, just the wings are missing on it. I found a bumblebee plate, and a bumblebee. I just found a laptop and a tire. But there's a lot of stuff right here for some reason.
Right here?
In this area, yeah. See that guy? Popcorn machine. Get it. A bike lock and a spring. Look!
Coca-Cola!
Yeah.
Madison Coca-Cola bottle!
Woohoo!
And some broken one, all the dirty stank on myself.
Why? You just got it all over your neck.
Yeah.
And down
fine.
your suit. Yeah.
They're dirty divers.
Yeah. Great day for a ride, eh? We're trying to make it up the river, but I think we're going to fill up pretty fast. Howdy.
Thank you both.
Yeah, no problem. A watch that says U.S. Air Force. Perfect. Not a body.
There were bottles in it though. This fish just came right. I've never had a fish come at me. He was coming for blood. He was this big. I saw the look in his eyes. I think he swore at me. What is wrong with him?
It's his home.
I think he bit me.
He did.
Oh, isn't that lovely? My first fish.
He bit at you. There's more than 9 bottles just right here. Howdy. There's a lot of bottles right here. I didn't ignore you, honey. I was excited because there's like, I had 9 and there's like a bunch more bottles right here. Hello.
Hey, we appreciate the garbage cleanup.
Yeah, anytime. Oh yeah, some party beads.
Minus the Mardi Gras.
Woo -hoo. I'm Ed. Awesome. Yeah, we got a lot of cool stuff today too. It's good to see you. Looks like some kind of peacock dish, yeah. Yeah.
Welcome to the family.
And a yo-yo?
Thank you for cleaning it up. Absolutely. Oh my God, that's awesome. You guys did great work. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ed, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little jelly. I'll trade you my jar of jelly for your peacock.
How about a Coca-Cola bottle instead?
I already found 3 of my own.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Will this change your mind?
Maybe.
Welcome to the family.
It's my flip phone. I found a brown Fauerbach bottle. Illegal, the untold truth.
There was something else. It's really scary. It's wrapped in blue.
Crate with some stuff in it.
No, are you proud of all this sniggle?
Yeah, I am. What? Hubcap. I just found a 7-Up.
great.
Yeah.
Okie dokie.
Dane County Sheriff. Hey, guy. Anytime. Yeah. You're getting a shout out too.
You're very welcome. Lots of trash, but a lot of treasure.
A lot more over there too. The Yahara River is a little bit cleaner today.
I think the water levels went down about 6 inches.
6, wow.
Yeah.
Great dive.
We found a ton of stuff.
Check out all this stuff we found today. It was an awesome dive, and as you can see, we got a lot of stuff out of here. Probably in a little less than 2 hours, hour and a half, but we were just kind of popping up and down, watching out for boats as they're going back and forth on the Yahara River from Lake Monona to Lake Mendota. Great day to be out here though.
And so many wonderful people on the boat stopped to say hi and thank us for what we do. Thank you, Madison. You have been wonderful.
In the 2 days we were there, we only cleaned up about a quarter of the river, so we will be back.